Hi guys, Tony Hayes here, and I've got the final offer for the IFTTT Backlink Commando launch, and I really wanted to put this one in here because it's such a powerful tool. And if you can combine what we've got with the IFTTT Backlink Commando with the press release SEO stuff that we offered in the last upsell, and then we go and take things to a whole new level again with another very, very unique tool that can go and create massive long tail optimized posts in a proper way that will not get de-indexed, that will not get you any problems, then and make those tools all very, very affordable. Then I can take people away from the high cost kind of stuff that are kind of very difficult to understand, very difficult to learn, and ultimately extremely expensive every single month. Okay, so what we've created here is a tool called Web 2.0 Commando. It's a really, really powerful tool, and it's doing something I've seen other tools do recently that are not doing stuff properly, but this is a way to do it. Let me explain. What we've got here is the ability to create campaigns, really, really simple, to get syndicated via Web 2.0 accounts. And what we do then is we create campaigns that are using multiple variations, as many variations as you can possibly give the tool. It will create optimized posts, and it will post them via a drip feed, one post into one social account or Web 2.0 account. Now, how this works, let me show you. If we come over here to these keywords that I've got in here, for example, this one is all about dentists in London. I've used this as an example. Now, what I did is I went over to the Google Keyword Planner, okay, and I found about 800 different keywords that are related to dentists in London. So then what I did is I spent maybe 20-30 minutes and I separated what I called the modifiers, the main keywords, and the end modifiers, okay? So the modifier, for example, might be 24-hour, aesthetic, affordable, American, award-winning, best, etc., etc. Okay, these are what we call modifiers. So for example, with the main keywords, I've got cosmetic dentistry, dentist, dentistry, and then for the end modifiers, I've got some locations. Okay, I'm sure you've seen the plugins that do that. We had one of ourselves before called Local Traffic Commando, and what we were doing is we were making massive amounts of posts covering every possible variation in these sort of long tail phrases, and we were making all these posts inside WordPress. The problem with that is that these sites now get de-indexed. They don't hang around for very long at all. Okay, in WordPress, the only way to do it properly is to make one post into one social account or one Web 2.0 account, and that means if anything gets closed down, it's one account that's got one post, and it hardly touches us as far as damaging any backlinking that we're doing. Okay, so for example, what we got here, 24-hour could be I could be making posts that say 24-hour cosmetic dentistry London. I could be making 24-hour dentist London. I could be making 24-hour dentistry London, and it will do all the variations possible. Aesthetic, cosmetic dentistry London, etc., etc. And this combines into massive amounts of posts, but all done within one campaign. One campaign that will take you no longer than 10 minutes to set up. Okay, this is really advanced SEO stuff, guys, but made really, really super simple. Okay, so let me explain it. The amount of modifiers that you've got times the amount of main keywords that you got times the amount of location or product name or brand name, okay, gives you the amount of posts that it's going to do. Okay, so for example, this one, 90 times 101 times 317 would actually come to about 2.8 million posts. Okay, you can see the massive power of this, and it really has to be used as a tier 2 linking tool, or if you want to, you can link to videos as well, or just really powerful tier 1 sites like high PR Tumblr accounts or blogger accounts where you're using a 301 redirect from an expired domain, linking to that particular blogger account. Okay, that way you're building that first tier, making it really powerful, and you can do this massive backlinking to your first tier, and you're not damaging your money sites. You're keeping everything perfectly safe. Okay, so when you look at this, you can see that that's some massive amounts of posts. The obvious question is, how do you create so many social accounts? Well, the good news is we've created an account creator for it. Okay, and it will do bulk accounts, and we've got customers with over 20,000 profiles. profiles with up to 24 social accounts in each, okay? And what it happens then is they just keep creating more and more accounts. They add them into the Web2 Commando system, and these posts are done on a drip feed, maximum of 12 per hour in every single campaign. Now the campaign itself is really easy to do. We just put in a campaign name for your use. We can choose how many tiers we want. We can make it automatic, choose just 1 tier links, 2 tier links. It will automatically do that in the background. We're using shortcodes in here, and you can even vary them around. So we've got our H1 title where we're using our shortcodes, which will show up our keywords, our modifiers, and stuff like that, okay? So here's an example. Here's some keywords. Here's some modifiers, and here's some locations. Now I could take, half of these and cut that down by half, or I can make it really focused and just do stuff around maybe cosmetic dentistry or teeth whitening or dentistry jobs or something like that. If you want to do it like that, you can do it like that. The main thing is that we can put any kind of HTML in here as well underneath where we've got these titles. So we can put opt-in forms, we can put affiliate banners, we can put in here anything HTML we want. We can even embed videos in there as well if you want to use a YouTube embed HTML, okay? And plus what we can do is we can put in multiple anchor text with multiple links as well, and that means that there's always going to be a variation of the links in the anchor text, okay? So it gets really, really, really powerful. For images, you can add 1 per line, or you can simply come down and use the images button here, which will do a search for you. Or you can do the same, and you can do the same with videos as well. Now, what happens here is whenever you've got videos and images, it will keep rotating, so that we've never got the same image and same video until you run out of combinations of that being not possible anymore, okay? So if I've got 20 images and 20 videos, then it's going to do every single combination of that, which is 20 times 20, okay? And then after that 20 times 20, it will have to go back to the beginning again, and it will have to use the same combinations again. Now, to go and find videos, it's really simple. And you can even do this for your own video channels on YouTube, or you can just simply put in a keyword. So for example, if I put in cosmetic dentist, let's put dentistry, and just click on the enter button, it will go and find a bunch of videos. Now if I just let's stretch this out a little bit. Now watch this box here where it's got videos per line. If I want to play a video to make sure it's good, I can just play it within the actual software itself. Once I'm happy with it, all I need to do is click here to select, and you can see it automatically comes in here. Okay, we can add as many videos as we want, and this all happens automatically for us, so we can get that uniqueness built in. Okay, you can use spin tags for your titles, you can use spin tags in your content, you can put HTML, that means you can use banners, you can be using opt-in forms, you can be using any kind of HTML that you choose inside that content, and then it's going to drip feed via campaigns. Okay, so the campaigns that we've got in here, if we go and look at some of the let's go into the dashboard here. We can click to view the campaigns that we've already got, okay? And when you can see that it's running, it's still running at the moment, what we can do is click here to see viewed queued posts, okay? And you can see all the URLs as they're being posted, and it's doing maximum 12 an hour to keep things as natural as possible, to keep things just happening all the time. And it's just ongoing backlinks all in the background, just automatically, but you're not limited by the amount of campaigns that you want to use, okay? So you can go and create these campaigns all day long, and you're getting this offer for just $37 a month. Now, I know there's other tools that do similar things. There's some great tools like RankWiz, FCS Networker, SendWire. The difference is that we've got an SEO strategy built in. We're using the 3 elements of commercial keywords, okay? If you add those 3 elements, it's hard not to get a commercial intent keyword. 24-hour dentist London, for example, somebody is searching for a dentist who needs a dentist and that's open 24 hours. Somebody who's looking for children's dentist in North London, well, he really does want to find a children's dentist in North London, or the best dentist in London, whatever. These are usually commercial intent keywords, but it's not just for local marketing. You can do this as well with affiliate affiliate marketing just by simply using locations and product names and stuff like that as well. Okay, so you can use this in multiple ways, and it's really low cost, and it comes with an account creator as well, which is really, really powerful. And for $37 a month, guys, it's a no-brainer because you don't have to buy accounts and you don't have any limitations on the usage. Okay, so it's a great offer, and I really wanted to get it into this launch, and I apologize for so many upsells, but I just wanted to stack the value. And I think for the people that have got this far, you can see how much value I have stacked into the launch. I wanted to take it one step further and give you the opportunity for one of the most powerful syndication tools around, with a proper strategy built in. It's not just plain syndication here, guys. We're using long tail SEO strategies to be able to get rankings for those long tail keywords, because nobody can possibly be competing with you. Nobody can possibly be doing optimization for 2.8 million variations of a keyword phrase. They just cannot do that. It's impossible for them to do that unless they have a tool like this. And this is the only tool on the market capable of doing this. There's no other tool in the market can do this. And you're seeing some very, very unique stuff as you came through the sales funnel to get to this point. So I hope you can see the value of this. It's a massive tool as far as SEO tools go, and it's really powerful, and it's taking an old strategy that no longer works, using it in a proper way, and a way that won't get you harmed at all. Because if you lose a social account, fine, you've just lost one post, nothing else. You haven't lost the complete campaign. That's how powerful this is. This is proper SEO, guys. This isn't stuff built for launches. We've actually had this for about 6 months now, and we just started to sell it again and let more people in. So I would advise you take advantage of this, and by the time you've come through the funnel, if you bought everything here, you've got some of the most powerful SEO tools for 2015 and beyond, without the bullshit, without the hype, just good old SEO stuff done by someone who does SEO every day and doesn't have to sit there and dream up some strategies. Okay, these are real strategies. You will see them evolving over time, and let me tell you, this tool has still got a long way to go. We're going to be adding in here some document sharing sites. We're going to be adding in some other stuff as well to make it even more powerful, and it will just keep getting better and better as time goes on. Okay, so you can get it for one price, $37 a month, and it's great value. And if I do put a price underneath, which I'm not sure we are at the moment, to get a lifetime or to get the 1 year offer, then seriously think about it, because it's great value and it will save you a ton of money over time as well. But fantastic tool, great strategy done right, in a way that's not going to harm you, in a way that if something gets de-indexed, it's literally going to be just one post, and that's not going to harm anything with the amount of posts that we can create, all optimized for you as well, with your H tags, with videos, with images, all that good stuff already built in. And it literally takes 10 minutes to build out a campaign. Once you have done the initial work over here with any niche at all, then you can just go and create really focused campaigns, and you can do multiple campaigns, and within an hour you could easily have 4, 5 or 6 of these that are just going to be creating backlinks for you every single hour, and use those backlinks to link to a tier 1, and everything is perfectly safe. This is good SEO stuff, guys. This is real SEO. This isn't bullshit. This isn't hype. This is powerful, powerful stuff. I hope to see you in the Insightful Web 2.0 Commando. Thank you. Bye bye.